Annyeong everyone.
안녕하세요.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good evening. So
안녕하세요.
I miss you all. So it's been a
네,
while since I speak here in Atomy Zoom global meeting, and I miss you all. Sorry, because I got very busy at my work last time because my work starts at 10 p.m. here at Philippines, and then it finish 6 a.m. So I'm a graveyard shift. But right now, um I'm very happy that I got a chance to be with you all again. So, Merry Christmas, everyone. And we're going to start the lecture regarding the Atomy products. So, I know every one of you are all excited, right? So, let's start.
yes,
But before that, we're going to have first a game. Since this is a Christmas time, we will be playing a game. All right. So, do you want to play a game?
yes,
Yes. All right. So, let me share my screen. So, our game for tonight is Bring Me What I Want. Bring me. Do you know what is bring me? Okay. For example, bring me a cell phone. Okay. Everyone will gonna um like this.
show.
Show your phone to the camera. All right. For example, um bring me for example a mouse. For example, like this one, I have a mouse here. Okay, like that one. So I will be showing different kinds of products, and let's start. Okay, so here are the instructions. So I will be ask every one of you to bring an object related to atomy. Okay, and the first participant to give it to me will receive a reward, but I don't know what is reward. Maybe we're going to clap for the give 100 clap to the winner. Okay, so I will be asking you 5 objects. So are you ready for the game? Okay,
Yes,
okay. If you're ready, so please said I am ready. Okay,
I am ready.
okay. So first. Okay, so I think I need your help, Father, to check who will be the first participant. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, because I cannot see my screen right now. So the first item is okay. Bring me a hemohim. All right.
hemohim.
Hemohim, please show me your hemohim.
Show the
Okay.
hemohim in the camera.
Hemohim in the camera like this. Okay.
Emuin?
Himohim. Okay,
Hemohim.
like bring
Em
me a himohim.
Show.
Show your himohim.
Emuin?
I think
Got
Prema first.
Prema first. Okay, 1 point for Prema.
Uh,
Okay. So next item is Atomy sunscreen. All right. So show
sunscreen.
me your sunscreen.
Okay.
Okay. Who got first?
Sunscreen, not yet.
Not yet. Where
Nobody
are you?
show the sunscreen.
Sunscreen. Show me your sunscreen. Where is your Atomy sunscreen?
They're just ordering in the shopping mall. Ah, Sharon Rose, Master Han Yong Hee. Oh, first.
Oh,
Oh,
okay. 1 point for our Sharon
okay.
Rose Master. 1 point for Prema and one
First
point
Master
for Sharon.
Han Yong Hee.
Okay. So next third product is evening care set. Bring me your or show me your evening care set.
Ah, evening care set.
Yeah.
Jitka first.
Jetka. Okay, 1 point for Jetka, 1 point for
Okay.
Prema, and 1 point for Sharon Rose Master. All right, and the fourth product is Brightening cream. Hydra brightening cream.
Hydra, Hydra, Hydra.
Show me your Hydra brightening cream.
Prema again, Prema.
Oh, 2 points for Prema. Okay, so the last one, I think this
Oh,
is the last one.
thank you, Joy, for
Okay,
but you're the second.
bring me Atomy toothpaste. Everybody,
Toothpaste,
Atomy
toothpaste.
toothpaste. Show me your Atomy toothpaste.
Joy, Joy, the first, Joy, Joy,
Joy,
Joy,
okay.
Joy.
So,
Okay.
number one.
Oo.
Okay, point for Joy. And I think though we have a winner since she got a 2 points. Our winner is Prema.
Prema,
Okay.
oh yeah.
Let's give her a round of applause. She got 2 points. All right. So for tonight,
Excuse me, I will give something when we meet in the Hadiwon Center, Prema. I will give you some
okay.
sunmol.
All
Oh,
right. Okay. So you will receive a gift from my father,
okay.
Prema. All right. So all right. So since we are showing our products, Atomy products for tonight, so that's our discussion. So the discussion for tonight is about Atomy products. So actually some of the products here that I'm going to discuss right now. So I already discussed it before, but I want to give it emphasize again. I want you to be reminded again about the benefits and the goodness of these products. All right? So the first product that we have here is so I yeah, but first and foremost, so we have 590 products and counting here in Atomy. All right, there's a lot of products here in Atomy. So the philosophy of Atomy is absolute quality and absolute price. And I know you are all aware that the product of Atomy is good and quality, right? So all the products that we have shown earlier, like the sunscreen, the Hemohim, the evening care set, the Hydra brightening, and everything. They are all good and excellent product. All right. So here are the products that I'm going to discuss, and I know I already discussed it before, but I want to give emphasize again for this product. All right. So the first product is all right. So I think every one of you know this one. It's the Hemohim. All right. So Hemohim. So why we take Hemohim? Because it awakens our exhausted immunocytes and it boosts and it give us healthy immune system. So this Hemohim is very good actually. So I'm using the Hemohim. So I have here. So actually I have here Hemohim. So I already have three left here. So I'm using the product after exercising or while I'm working. So you can at least drink Himohim once or twice a day. So that's the goodness of Himohim. So it was developed by KAIRI. So what is KAIRI? So the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute, and it's number one individually approved functional food product. And Himohim is number one in sales of an individual product across the Korean network marketing industry. So sales in 19 countries and has 16 patents worldwide. So that is the power of the Himohim. So here's the three products or um uh, three
ingredients.
substance or ingredients with special immune function. So like the Angelica gigas, Linguisticum senens, and Painonia lactiflora. So that's the substance with the special immune functions that included here in Hemohim. All right. So okay, so that is the Hemohin. And actually, there's a lot of testimonies that Hemohim helped also to fight cancer. So actually we have a friend in Myanmar. So he testified in our Zoom meeting in the Philippines Zoom meeting. He's from Myanmar, and I think he already joined before here in the global Zoom meeting. His name is Pastor Tong, and he testified the power of Himohim. So before his um uh, father-in-law has a cancer, and the doctor suggested or recommended this Himohim, and after his father-in-law drink this Himohim, so the cancer or afterwards the doctor did not detect any cancer cells on his father-in-law. So that's the power of hemo. And I saw a lot, I heard a lot of testimonies regarding the hemohim. So if you want to have a healthy immune functions on your body, you just need to drink this hemohim like this. You just need to drink this and mm, that is hemohim. Mm. If you have Himohim right now, you can drink that one while I'm discussing. Okay, let's proceed. So yeah, so I know some of us. Do you have any of this following, like the pimples? Actually, I have pimples right now, because I'm not sleeping that well, and deep-seated dirt, excess oil in your face, or if you have a dry or flaky skin, blackheads, or dark spot, you can use these products. So what is that product? So this is or the evening care set. So yeah. So I have here also evening care set. So it contains the foam cleanser, the deep cleanser, peeling gel, and the fill off mask. So I have three here because the foam cleanser it's on our bathroom already. So yeah. So what are the functions of each product or each of the evening care set? First is the deep cleanser. So the deep cleanser, it helps you remove your makeup. If, for example, you have your makeup, so you can use the deep cleanser to remove that one. So it has ginseng extract, green tea extract, and yeah, to help you have firm skin, clear skin tone, and glossy skin. All right, so you can read as well the functions, other functions of the deep cleanser below. All right, and next is the foam cleanser. So what is the function of the foam cleanser? It remove impurities and makeup as well. Okay, so it contains makeup removal, clean skin, hydrated finish. So it removes your makeup from the stress of pollution. So, and also um, it sweeps away your dirt or your sebum or the dirt, and it helps purify your skin and refresh your skin. And next is the Pelene. It contains also the Pelinus lentius. So it's hard to read here. And the lentius rice extract. So it nourishes your skin. All right. So next one. Okay. Sorry. So next one is the peeling gel. Peeling gel, it easily removes unnecessary dead skin cells. So it will help you also to remove your dead skin cells without skin irritation. Because some of the products, if you're going to use that, it will irritate your skin. But this Atomic Evening Care will not irritate your skin. So that's the dead skin cells, so it removes dead skin for better absorption and the radiant skin. So the elm tree root extract will help you moisturize and give your and makes your dull skin radiant. Okay, it's like glowing. It will glow your skin, and the sebum control or the citrus grandis pill will help you to eliminate excess sebum or soft. It will soften your skin. Okay, so if you want to have a soft skin, then you can use this product. Then next is the Atomy Fill Up Mask. So it removes unnecessary dead skin as well. It contains the pore care, the amethyst powder. It will help to cleanse and to clear your clogged pores. Okay, if you have pores here like this as well, it will help you to cleanse it. And it has also centella extract. It will gives your appearance elasticity and firmness if you want to have a firm skin. And also jade powder, it will refine your skin surface. Okay, so that's the how the evening care set will help your to become beautiful and have the healthy uh face or healthy face. Yeah. All right. So next one, we're going to proceed with Atomy Hydra Brightening. So uh if you want to be more beautiful, then you can use this product. Okay. And next, Atomy Hydra Brightening Capsule Essence. So here's it. So yeah, so it's right now it's already I'm finished using this one. And I need to buy again another one. So it will help you brighten your complexion or moisturize your skin and energy, okay? Yeah. And next, so it has strong UV it will help you um lively to have a moisturized and lively skin. So if as you can see, if you're going to use this one, there's some micro capsules here. So it's like a if you're going if you have your own Hydra essence, so you can check it and there's something inside like a white one. Yeah, if you're going to check it, that's the I think there's something in it. And if you're going to use it on your face, actually, if I'm using it before and I really love how it moisturizes my skin. Yeah, this too. And you can combine the toner and the essence into one. You can use it after washing your face. So if you want to skip the toner, you can use this one. And yeah, so here are some of the factors or the it will reduce or moisturize care, increase moisturizing energy, supplies nutrients with micro capsule, and locking moisture up with synergy effect of A's and micro capsules. All right. So here are some functions as well. So it reduce moisture care, increase moisturizing energy. It combine function of toner and essence. So that's why it mentioned earlier you can skip the toner and you can use this one. Because it combines the function of toner and essence. It freshness of toner and nutrients of essence. All right. Okay. So if you're going to see the picture, yeah. And next, it the second one supplies moisture with microcapsules. So it active ingredients such as microcapsule. It has a vitamin E, and not that it will not destroy, and it will help you reach. Okay, it will help you to have a safely reach to the skin. Okay, all right. If you and also you can check the picture as well, what are the inclusions or uh yeah, it the inclusions of the or the three ingredients of the micro capsules. Okay, it has vitamin E, mannitol, and cellulose as well. So next, locking up moisture with synergy of base and microcapsules. So with synergy of base and microcapsules with upgraded moisturizing effect, ample moisture is supplied and absorbed moisture is locked. Okay, so that's why if you're going to use this product, it will really help you to energize and moisturize your skin because of all uh, uh, the ingredients or the substance that it has here in here. It will really help you to have a good skin quality. Okay. So next, the partner of the Hydra Essence is the cream, Hydra Brightening Cream. So yeah, I don't have cream anymore, so I need to buy another one. All right, so let's proceed. So, brightening cream. So it maximize fresh skin moisture. Use capsules, essence, and cream together. Okay, so you can use it together, all right, to freshen up and to moisturize your skin. So the cream or the brightening cream, it has pink antioxidant, uh, energy from vitamin B12 and it complete care for skin barrier with skin friendly substance. So you can really use these products because it contains skin friendly substance. All right. And it's here are the rich nutritious base of this product. So and actually this product is used to supply for tired skin. Okay, it has birch tree sap. Okay, so the birch tree sap is used to add coolness and freshness to your skin, as if you are taking a bath. Wow. And the sea buckthorn extract, so it contains abundant vitamin C, E, and omega 3, 6, and 9. Wow. So the birch tree sap, it improves your skin and it helps care for your sensitive and dry skin, while the sea buckthorn, it helps also moisturize your skin and helps you whitens your wrinkles. So if you have wrinkles and here it will lighten your wrinkles or whiten and improves elasticity for your skin face. All right. And here are the some other substance. So just as fragrance of fruit, because as you can observe as well, so the smell of the cream is very good if you're going to smell it because it has a substance or fruity flowers that makes a fresh fruit smells good and it makes your skin smell irresistible. So your face will not be just a healthy skin, but it will smell irresistible as well and it smells good. So it has a top note, the lemon and lime and mango. The middle, it has apple, jasmine, and floral note. And the base note is musk. So yeah. So that's why it's very if you're going to use it, it's very good to your skin and the smell is so good as well. All right. Okay, next is the Power Vita Energy. So actually, I'm always seeing this Vita Energy to my father if he's going to do exercising. So he's using it I think every day. Yeah. And actually this Power Vita Energy is it requirements. It's designed to meet the essential nutrient requirements for Koreans and it promotes vitality and health as well. All right. And here are and actually this, I'm really surprised to this vitamins because it includes 13 types of vitamins. Uh, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin K, and it has zinc, selenium, iodine. And actually, if you're going to use this product, it will actually you will going to meet the 100% of your daily vitamin intake by just um, drinking 1 cup a day of this product. All right. So here I'm not going to discuss all of this one, so you can read this one, or if you want, you can screenshot the nutritional facts or the label of the Atomy Power Vita Energy. So if you're going to see, there's a lot of vitamins included on this product, and I'm really surprised by how it works. And next is the Atomy toothpaste. So actually, this product is one of my favorites because if I'm going to use or while I'm using this product, so it really tastes good. Yeah, so it's like a candy. And I want to eat it, but yeah, you must use it only to your teeth. Okay. So actually, I think before, when we have our Philippine Atomy Zoom meeting, one of our, I think one of my father's friend, um, testify also that Atomy toothpaste, you can use it as well for your, what we call this, acne, okay, pimples. So she mentioned that besides of using it to your teeth, you can use the Atomy toothpaste as well for your pimples. So you can use that one, and I think 10 minutes to 20 minutes you can wash it with water. So because before she has a lot of pimples, and she tried to use the Atomy toothpaste. She put it because actually here in the Philippines, we are using sometimes we are using toothpaste for our pimples. And she tried to use the Atomy toothpaste, and afterwards her acne or her pimples was removed by using the toothpaste. And she testified it last time on our Zoom meeting. So and to proceed, Atomy toothpaste, it has 50 grams and 200 grams. And the benefits of it, it has a dental plaque removing, dental cavities preventing effect, and bad breath removing effect. That's why it's very good. You are going to smell good if you're going to use this product. Next, because it has propolis or the honey. Okay, so propolis is used to seal the beehive, and it is a natural protective substance that is made to prevent the outer germs. Okay, all right. And next, it has also green tea extract and propolis extract. So the catechin, a major ingredients of green tea, it enhances immune power as polyphenol ingredient and has antioxidation and antibiotic effect. It is very effective for your bad breath. It will remove your bad breath. And also the propolis extract for various bacterial and virus. Okay, so it will really help. If you're going to combine this substance, it will really help you to have um, a good breath and as well a good teeth as well. So let's proceed. Yeah, here. So I'm using the Atomy products. Next, here. Uh, while I'm working, I'm using it, the Hemohim. So I think that's all, everybody, and I hope you enjoyed our presentation for tonight. And don't forget to use Atomy products regularly. Just use it, encourage everyone. to use as well to your team, others, and you can use also your social media, like my Facebook. I'm using it to promote the goodness of our product, the Atomy product. And if we're going to um, use it or to encourage everyone, then you will become successful here in Atomy. So everyone, Aja, fighting, fighting. That's all. Thank you.